loaded?
Yeah.
You're good?
You're good. Butterfly.
3, 2.
Gosh. Wow.
Oh my god.
Alright.
That was it.
Come on, Dex. He probably
Pieces up here.
pieces up here.
You see it falling up around the trucks?
Yeah, there's a piece of it. Like,
I think that car slowed way down.
Sure it did. It's like, did I blow up?
What the hell?
look at all.
All that insulation, man. What a mess.
I actually didn't get a very good view of it. Shoot. That was awesome.
I was looking at my phone.
Hey, there's my strap.
Ain't much left of it.
It's a good thing we strapped that door
think
shut
so,
though, because
It would have been.
yeah.
Got squished everything down. I love it.
That's the top. No, it's the door.
That's the door.
I thought that door would go further for sure.
Hey, look at it. All your hard work.
Yeah, it blew the washing machine apart too a little bit.
Does that warp like that from the propane or from the?
I don't know.
Still coming down.
What? Oh.
I gotta watch this.
That's awesome.